To show you this. Let's look at my plants. As you can see, my morning has started off. I think I'm on a really positive note. I have the entire day free, just like all me today, guys. So I'm really kind of in between what I want to do with my hair after I wash it. So I went ahead and I picked up, this is the Neo. This is 100% Kanekalon hair, guys. And I picked up, this is the Itchless Ease Professional Twins, something like that. So I picked up this hair, and this is in like the sort of like a light brownish color, as you can see. You can see the color down here. It has a sort of light brown color. And these are all of the features that come with this hair. It said it's itchless, it's easy to braid, you know, all of that stuff. So yeah. And it's also pre-layered and pre-stretched. So this one comes with 2 bundles inside, and this one is just one of the braiding hair. So kind of picked up that. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna put my hair into 4 sections. I haven't been doing too much, and now that I'm keeping it in a lot of protective style, I'm just really liking the idea of just not having to deal with my hair on a daily basis. So I'm just putting it into like just 4 rough sections. I'll have control of actually washing each area and making sure that I can detangle it a lot better, getting it as smooth as possible. It's been what, like almost like literally like 3 weeks all put together since I've washed my hair, because I've had the box braids in. And I didn't want to go ahead and start washing my hair with the box braids in, but I just didn't want to go ahead and do that. I mean, actually when I had done the box braids, I was intended to like leave it in for a week. That was kind of like my max, but then with my busy schedule and everything, it kind of like, you know, lingered on. So yeah, so our next phase is to get into the shower.
So guys, I'm 17 weeks post, and you know what goes on with those new growths. So since the hair is in 4 sections, it makes it so much easier for me to apply the shampoo into each of the section without missing out any areas. I'm using the ORS olive oil. This is the creamy aloe shampoo. It's like a clarifying shampoo, and I find this to be a very rich, creamy and lathery shampoo. It gives a lot of slip. A little goes a long way. And here I'm just working it into each of the sections. I'm also using my shampoo brush to help get in there to, you know, help to break up any sort of dirt that may be in the roots of the hair as well. I'm able to use my wide tooth comb and comb through each of the sections as well, you know, because there's so much slip from the shampoo that I'm able to go in and actually comb through my new growths. This part feels so good, the water just running right through my hair. And this is where combing through the hair came in so handy, because you can see where the hair is very soft, it's very silky and manageable. And I'm keeping it flowing in one direction without moving it back and forth and shuffling it, because that will just create a lot more knots. And at this stage, tangles are definitely not welcome. So now I'm going in with my protein treatment. I'm using this ORS Hair Restore Hair Mayonnaise. You can see there's quite a bit in the jar. I'm being very generous at this time, and I'm just taking quite a bit and applying it throughout my hair. Then I'm gonna go into little subsections so that I can coat each layering part of the hair as well. And I'm just keeping my hair flowing into one direction without moving it or shuffling it back and forth, you know, because that in itself will be creating a lot of friction and a lot of tangles in the hair as well. As I said, we don't want tangles here at this point, because with all this new growth, you know, you just don't want to have any kind of distress going on to the hair. At this point, I'm just going to put my hair up into little buns, put on a little plastic cap and let that rest for a bit. And I kind of just missed the whole showering part here because you guys have seen me do so many showering videos before in the past. Now guys, I washed out my hair and everything. I did all of my other process with my conditioners, deep conditioners, and as you can see here, my new growth, and it varies for everyone. For those of you who don't know, you can see where I have my line of demarcation, and that's where, you know, you really have to take care of. And you can see throughout my hair how much new growth that I have, so you know exactly what I'm dealing with.
Alright guys, all finished with the wash, and it took me all day. I actually left in the protein treatment for at least, I would say, like an hour. For the deep conditioner, I went in with the Tresemme Luxurious Moisture, and I added a little olive oil to kind of spice it up a little bit, and then I applied that to my hair. That I left in for about 3 hours, guys. Yeah, so guys, I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with this hair. I did show you guys where I picked up a couple of pieces to incorporate in. You know, I'm thinking about doing another box braid protective style, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do as yet. But it will be a good idea since I'm going away, you know, rather than having to keep my hair like this, you know, and always have to think about it every day. Better I just do a protective hairstyle. So I don't know, I'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and air dry my hair a little bit, then I'll apply some of my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, but blow dry my hair on cool, and I'll take it from there, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that bell down below to be notified of all my future videos, and I'll catch you in my next video.
So guys, from the look of it, I did do my protective style again, and I just pinned everything up. Super cute. Guys, I went away on vacation just to hang out, have a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that bell down below to be notified of all my future videos, and I'll catch you in my next video.